Hi guys, this is Buildtools channels and meron ako sa inyong bagong ipapakitang cordless impact drills. At ito yung total impact drill na 12 volts at ito naman ay 18 volts. Unahin natin tong cordless impact drill na 12 volts. Ayan, nakabag pa siya. Okay, bag. And isa natin. Ito yung manual niya. Okay. At may kasama siyang masonry bit, 3. At screw bit, 2. Ito yung battery niya, tsaka charger. Pag gagamitin natin tong charger, ito yung saksakan. Okay, starts na. Ready to use. Ito yung cordless impact drill na 12 volts. Okay, yan. Okay na. At ito yung button natin sa battery. Yan. 2 yung battery natin na 12 volts. 2. Okay. Ito yung switch natin. Switch. At may light siya. And ito naman yung reverse adjusting. Kung natin, right or left. Okay. At ito naman yung label speed. Ito, number 2 yung lakas niya. Number 2. Pag natin, number 1. Okay. At ito naman yung adjusting mode. Kung screw natin or metal or wood, ito yun. Kung gusto natin pang concrete. Okay. Yan, ganyan lang siya. At kung sa lakas naman natin, i-adjust natin tong adjusting ring point. Kung 1 to 21 yung speed niya. Okay, 21. Pag natin sa neutral position, tahaw lang or gitna, hindi natin mapapagana tong cordless impact drill. Okay, and don't forget to read the manual. Okay. At ito naman yung cordless impact drill na 18 volts. Yan. Okay. Yan, naka-case siya. At ito na yung laman niya. Screw bits. Yan. Flat. At ito yung adapter para magamit natin itong screw bits. Okay. At 5 drill bit na pang bakal. Ito yung manual niya. Ito yung battery niya. And charger. Paano gamitin? Ito yun. Dito. Okay. Ito yung button. And may libre siyang masonry bit, 5 rin. At itong screw. Ayan, screw. Mga screw niya. Okay. At ito naman yung unit natin na cordless impact drill na 18 volts. Ayan. Okay. Pidutin natin to. Ayan, tanggal natin. Balik natin. Okay. Ito yung switch. May light siya. And adjusting mode. Pang screw, pang metal, and pang wood, and pang concrete. Ito naman yung adjusting speed natin or label natin. 1 or 2. Okay. And yung adjusting point 1 to 21. Okay. Sagad natin sa 21. Okay. And adjusting reverse natin. Itong right and left. Okay. And that's all. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. I hope you enjoy the videos. See you on the next one.